Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Maths Made Easy with Pearl, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Do well to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. So today we have a question on the board to find x if 4 all over 1 plus 2 all over 1 plus 1 all over x plus 1 equals 2. Now, looks complicated, right? But I'll walk you through the steps bit by bit. Now, let's resolve this one after the other. Solution. First of all, to answer this, we have to start with the denominator. We start by resolving the denominator bit by bit until it becomes a simple equation. So now we are going to start from here. We have 4 all over 1 plus 2 all over 1 plus 1 all over x plus 1 equals 2. So now we start with the denominator here. Now this denominator can be written as 4 all over 1 plus 2 all over. Now this one I can write it as x plus 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1. Now the reason is because whenever anything divided by itself is 1, so it doesn't change. This equals 2. So now let's proceed. Now you can see that these denominators, you see that they have a common denominator. The fractions here, they have a common denominator. So what do we do here? We pick one. They are like fractions, so we pick one. So this becomes 4 all over 1 plus 2 all over. Now we're going to pick one of the denominators, which is x plus 1, and then we add the numerators together because they are like fractions. So this becomes x plus 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we now have 4 all over 1 plus 2 over. Now we can add this. We have x plus 1 plus 1, that which gives us x plus 2 over x plus 1 equals 2. Okay, so now looking at this, we can resolve this to become, now we have 2x plus 2 over x plus 1. Now this can be written as 2 divided by x plus 2 over x plus 1. This is a division sign here because this is dividing this. So now remember, when you are dividing two fractions, the division sign becomes multiplication sign. So it becomes 2 times, and then we take the inverse of the right hand side fraction. So this becomes x. I'm going to use brackets here because it's x plus 1 all over x plus 2. So what do we do here? We multiply through. So this gives us 2x plus 2. 2 times x, that's 2x. 2 times 1, that's 2 over x plus 2. So we can see that we have been able to resolve this to this. So instead, we are going to be writing this instead of this. So we'll have 4 all over 1 plus 2x plus 2 all over x plus 2 equals 2. Now you can see that we are heading somewhere. It's becoming much more simpler. So let's proceed. So from here, you also see that we have 1 plus 2x plus 2 all over x plus 2. So we can also rewrite this as 4 all over, this can be written as x plus 2 over x plus 2 plus 2x plus 2 over x plus 2 equals 2. You can see that because this divide itself still gives 1, so it doesn't change anything. So you see that they are not like fractions, so it's easy for us to do what we want to do. So this becomes 4 all over. Now they have the same denominator, so we pick 1, x plus 2, and then we add the numerators together. That gives us x plus 2 plus 2x plus 2 all equal to 2. So from here we add, so we have 4 over, now let's add, we have x plus 2x, that gives us 3x plus 2 plus 2, that's 4 over x plus 2 equals 2. Now you can see that we are heading somewhere. So from here, you see this is something more like this. So we also do what we did here. So we can resolve this fraction also to be, this is the same thing as 4 divided by 3x plus 4 over x plus 2. And remember, the division sign becomes multiplication, and then it takes the inverse of this. So this becomes 4 times, I'm going to use brackets, 4 into bracket x plus 2 all over 3x plus 4. So this becomes 4 times x, that's 4x, plus 4 times 2, that's 8 over 3x plus 4. So we use this instead of this, so we're going to write this in place of this. So this becomes 4x plus 8 over x 3x plus 4 equals 2. Now you see we are now having a simple equation with fractions. So we just do what we call cross multiply, because we are looking for x. So we are solving whatever we are doing here, we're trying to find the value of x. So we cross multiply, so whatever is here multiply everything here, and whatever is here multiplies everything here. So 1 times everything here gives that same, that's 4x plus 8 equals 2 times everything here, 2 times 3x, that is 6x, plus 2 times 4, that is 8. Now from here, what do? We collect like terms. You see we are having a simple equation, so we collect like terms. So we have 4x. Now we move 6x over to this way, and then move this way. So 6x crossing over, remember it has an invisible positive sign here, so when it crosses the equality sign it becomes negative. 6x equals 8 remains here, and then plus 8 crossing over to the other side becomes minus 8, and this gives us 4x minus 6x. Now you're removing a smaller number from a bigger number, so the difference is going to be negative. Whenever you're removing a bigger number from a smaller number, the difference is negative. So this becomes minus 2x equals 8 minus 8 as 0. Now we are looking for x, so we have to divide both sides by minus 2, so that x can stand alone, so that minus 2 cancels minus 2. X equals 0 divided by minus 2 is 0. Any 0 divided by any number is 0. So we can see that 0 is our answer. Now we can check this to see actually if this is the right solution to this. Now let's check this. Check. So to check, we have that x is 0. So wherever we see x in this our equation, we put 0. So we have 4 all over 1 plus 2 all over 1 plus 1 over 0 plus 1. So let's see if it gives us 2. So we have 4 over, now this is 1 plus 2 over 1 plus 1 over 0 plus 1, that's 1. So which is 4 over 1 plus 2 over 1 divided by 1 is 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So this gives us 4 over 1 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that's 1. So this is 4 over 1 plus 1 is 2. And we have that 4 divided by 2 is 2. So you can see that this is the right solution to this. So please, if you found this lesson helpful and useful, do well to comment your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.
Friends show up, we laugh all night. New semester got the future in sight.